Water damage can cost you thousands. But one wrong move can make your insurance deny your claim completely. Most homeowners don't know this. Do you? Imagine waking up to water pouring from your ceiling. Your floor's ruined, walls soaked. You panic, call insurance, and weeks later, they offer you way less than expected. Or worse, deny it. Here's what most people don't realize. Not all water damage is treated the same by insurance. Clean water, from pipes or appliances. Gray water, from washing machines or dishwashers. Black water, sewage or floodwater. And yes, the type determines how much you get paid. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes homeowners make. Mistake number 1, waiting too long. Insurance companies expect you to act fast. Delay equals denial risk. Mistake number 2, not documenting damage. If you don't have photos and videos, it's your word versus theirs. Mistake number 3, accepting the first offer. Insurance companies often underpay, sometimes by thousands. This is where a public adjuster can make a huge difference. We work for you, not the insurance company. We document everything, negotiate your claim, and fight to get you the maximum payout you deserve. Here's what you should do immediately after water damage. 1, stop the source of water. 2, take photos and videos immediately. 3, prevent further damage by using drying fans. And 4, call a public adjuster before settling. This one step could increase your claim significantly. Have you ever had a water damage claim denied or underpaid? Comment "help" below and we'll guide you. Like this video if you learned something and share this with someone who owns a home. You might just save them thousands. Thanks for watching.